Hi everyone. Harley-Davidson celebrated its 120th anniversary at the Hamburg Harley Days from May 19th to 21st in perfect motorcycle weather. At the same time, the venue, the wholesale market in the heart of the Hanseatic city, looked back on 20 years of Hamburg Harley Days. Over the 3 days of the event, a total of 60,000 Harley-Davidson riders and fans visited the festival to enjoy the action and motor culture firsthand. The Harley Village covered an area of around 40,000 square meters and featured numerous dealers, caterers and even a 30-meter-high Ferris wheel. One of the highlights was the 120 Years of Harley-Davidson exhibition, where numerous historic motorcycles illustrated the rich history of the coveted brand. The classic bikes on display were as much a talking point as the current bikes on display in the Expo area, including the latest models from Milwaukee, such as the Nightster Special and Breakout. More than 200 visitors took the opportunity to test ride the bikes. In the packed demo rides area, visitors also met off-road pro and Pan America instructor Ralph Wiesenfeller, who had plenty of tips on riding motorcycles in general and adventure touring bikes in particular. At the Custombike Show powered by Metzler and supported by the Harley Owners Group, the best V-twin tuners in the motorcycle scene gathered on Saturday to present their top-of-the-range one-offs to the exacting eyes of a panel of expert judges. And, of course, there was riding. On the guided tours, for example, which took in the Alta Land and Lüneburg Heath, among other places. And of course the big parade, on Sunday 21st of May, around 5,000 motorcycles, cheered on by the people of Hamburg, set off on a 30-kilometer farewell lap through the Hanseatic city. Live stunt shows by Polish two-wheeler pro Maciej Bilicki and Liv X from Nazareth, Knucklehead, Grania Duffy, and Bonfire, plus 15 other bands rocking out on 2 stages, rounded off the harmonious program over the long weekend. Ford, like Harley-Davidson, 120 years young, was also on hand to showcase the latest evolution of the Mustang, alongside the Ranger and Bronco, as well as the Mustang Eleanor, one of the hero cars from the film Only 60 Seconds. It's a matter of honor that the party will continue next year. Hamburg Harley Days 2024 will take place from 28 to 30 June. Thanks for watching.